Can AI-generated content rank? How to use AI without creating spam? Can AI-generated content rank on Google? Will your website be penalized simply because artificial intelligence helped write an article? And if AI can produce content in seconds, should businesses publish hundreds of pages as quickly as possible? The answer is more important than a simple yes or no. AI can help create valuable content. It can also help create large amounts of repetitive, inaccurate, and commercially useless content. The tool is not the strategy. The way you use it determines the result. Welcome to the Shahan Behkamrad Educational Podcast. I'm Shahan Behkamrad, entrepreneur, founder of Shahan Digital, and SEO and GEO strategist. In this episode, I will explain how entrepreneurs can use AI to improve content production without damaging quality, credibility, or long-term search performance. Let us begin with the main question. Can AI-generated content rank? Yes, content created with AI assistance may perform in search when it is genuinely useful, accurate, original, and created to help users. Google's published guidance does not identify AI assistance itself as the problem. The risk begins when automation is used to produce large quantities of pages, primarily to manipulate rankings without adding meaningful value for users. So the real question is not, was this content written by a human or AI? The better question is, does this content deserve the customer's attention? Imagine two companies using exactly the same AI tool. The first company asks AI to generate 300 articles. It publishes them with minimal editing. The articles repeat existing information, contain generic advice, include no original experience, and lead visitors toward no meaningful business action. The second company publishes only 12 important resources. AI helps with research, organization, summaries, and early drafts. But a knowledgeable person defines the strategy, verifies the facts, adds real experience, improves the arguments, removes weak claims, and connects each page to a customer need. Which company is building a stronger business asset? Usually the second one. Both companies used AI, but only one used judgment. That distinction matters because AI can generate language. It cannot automatically guarantee relevance, accuracy, experience, credibility, or commercial value. For entrepreneurs, AI should improve the content process, not replace responsibility for the final result. A strong AI-assisted workflow contains 5 stages. The first stage is strategic selection. Before creating anything, ask, who is this content for? What problem are they trying to solve? Where are they in the customer journey? Which product, service, or business priority does the content support? And what should the reader understand or do after consuming it? If these questions have no clear answers, producing the article faster will not make it more valuable. AI often makes weak strategies more efficient. It allows companies to produce the wrong content at a much greater speed. That is not growth, it is accelerated waste. The second stage is human input. AI produces stronger work when it receives valuable source material. Give it real customer questions, sales objections, product information, expert interviews, internal research, case study details, market observations, examples from actual experience, and clear editorial standards. Without strong input, the output will usually be a polished version of information that already exists everywhere else. This is one of the biggest problems with generic AI content. It may sound professional without saying anything memorable. A fluent article is not automatically an insightful article. The third stage is verification. AI can produce incorrect facts, invented references, outdated information, misleading statistics, or conclusions that sound reasonable but are not supported. Every important claim should therefore be reviewed. Check names, dates, numbers, sources, technical instructions, legal or financial statements, product details, and any recommendation that could influence a customer's decision. The more sensitive the topic, the stronger the review should be. A grammar check is not a fact check, and a confident sentence is not necessarily a correct sentence. The fourth stage is differentiation. Ask a difficult question. What does this page contribute that the existing search results do not? The answer might be a clearer framework, original data, first-hand experience, a useful comparison, a better decision process, a market-specific insight, a detailed example, an honest explanation of risks, or a more practical answer for a specific type of customer. AI can help organize these elements, but the business must supply the knowledge that makes them valuable. You do not need to create a revolutionary idea in every article, but you should avoid publishing a page that could be replaced by hundreds of nearly identical pages without anyone noticing. The fifth stage is final accountability. Someone must own the final version. That person should ask, is the main answer clear? Is every important claim supportable? Does the page reflect our real knowledge? Have we removed unnecessary repetition? Does it match the customer's intent? Is the advice safe and responsible? Does the article connect naturally with the rest of the website? And does it provide a useful next step? AI can assist with production. It should not remove ownership. Now let us discuss content volume. When AI reduces production time, publishing more may appear logical, but more pages create more responsibilities. Every page must remain accurate. Every page must be updated. Every page consumes crawl attention, internal link equity, editorial resources, and measurement time. If hundreds of weak pages begin competing with one another, the website can become harder for users and search systems to understand. Google specifically warns against creating separate pages for large numbers of query variations, mainly to influence rankings or generative search responses. High page volume does not automatically make a website more relevant or higher quality. Before creating a new page, ask, does this topic require a separate article? Could it strengthen an existing page instead? Are we creating it because customers need it or because AI makes it easy? Sometimes the best content decision is not to publish something new. It is to improve a page that already has history, visibility, links, and commercial relevance. So where should AI be used? Use it to explore questions, organize research, create alternative outlines, summarize long source material, identify gaps in explanations, generate interview questions, simplify complex language, repurpose verified content into other formats, and accelerate early drafts, but use human judgment for positioning, facts, experience, commercial priorities, ethics, final recommendations, and publication approval. This combination gives businesses speed without abandoning quality. Here is a practical process for the next 30 days. Select 5 pages connected to your most important services. Do not begin by producing 50 new articles. Review the customer intent behind each page. Collect real questions from sales conversations, search data, emails, comments, and customer support. Use AI to identify missing sections and improve the structure. Then add human experience, stronger evidence, relevant examples, and clear next actions. Finally, measure whether the improved pages attract the right audience and contribute to meaningful customer behavior. This approach may create more value than adding dozens of generic URLs to your website. So, can AI-generated content rank? Yes, AI can participate in the process. But AI does not transform weak information into useful expertise automatically. It does not guarantee accuracy. It does not create original experience, and it does not understand your commercial priorities unless you define them clearly. Use AI to improve speed. Use people to protect judgment. Use evidence to build trust. Use strategy to decide what deserves to be published. And use business outcomes, not publishing volume, to evaluate success. The future does not belong to the company that generates the most words. It belongs to the company that turns technology, knowledge, and human judgment into information people can genuinely use. I am Shahan Behkamrad. Thank you for listening to the Shahan Behkamrad Educational Podcast. Use AI intelligently, protect the credibility of your brand, and never publish content simply because technology made it easy.